Welcome back to Toymaton, where we have a new toy, and I'm not sure exactly the name. It's Fairy Fun and Games, and it's called Super Structs, I believe is the name of it. What do you think about this, Jamie?
This toy it has so many gears and fun things. So you can put it together and you can make 7 models with it, maybe more. So, and then it comes with fairies and all that fun stuff. And there's a lot of pieces to it too.
And as you can see, it's a very big canister full of pieces. There's 160 pieces in here. It's kind of like the old Tinker toy that where you put together sticks and gears and all kinds of different spokes and fairies. And what else do you see here, Jamie?
Here are all the props here.
So there's a lot of different kinds of shapes and things you can put together in a variety of ways. And we're going to try to put a couple of different structures together just to kind of give you an idea of what kind of things you can make. What do you think about that?
Sounds great.
All right, let's get to it. And there you have it from Toymaton. Subscribe to this channel if you like our videos.
Give it a thumbs up.
And bye for now.
Bye.